Well, looky here. A little different from the last time we chatted, huh? We got a little bit of snow. We got a good, I'd say give or take, we got a good 3 inches, right guys? So guess what we get to do today? We're gonna clear a little bit of snow, and we're gonna go on a little bit of a snowmobile ride with that Arctic Cat that we showed earlier. Now, I've never had this tractor during the winter time, so I have no idea how good it's gonna start or anything like that, but we'll get it backed out, hopefully. And then we'll also get on the old snowmobile and do a couple rips. It's been a while since I've gotten a rip on a snowmobile, so this should be fun, see if I still got it. I'm no Blair Morgan. Don't worry, we're not doing any Superman seat grabs today. What do you think of the snow? Come here. We got Cindy with a little sweater. Yeah, somebody's short hair. They need a little more length. All right, so let's get to it, guys. This is Sweet Oak Channel. I'm Travis. Let's play in this winter wonderland. I almost forgot one thing. All right, it was nice to get some good, decent snowmobiling in, huh? Off to the next thing. Let's get some of this driveway cleared up. We're gonna see if the old girl fires right up. I have a skid loader. It'd go way quicker with a skid loader, but you know what? What's the fun in doing that? You know, this old 70-plus-year-old machinery, let's see if we can do it. I'm gonna try dragging it and see how that goes before I have to turn around and push it everywhere in reverse. And plus, I don't think the ground is too frozen. I don't want to end up dragging half the driveway across the property and into the lawn. So let's see if this thing fires up, and let's clear a little bit of the driveway. Well, you know, for my first time ever, I'm making mistakes, but I'm also definitely seeing what I'm doing wrong and how to correct those mistakes. To be honest, the skid loader is just so much quicker. It's cool to use this stuff, but you know, you come home from work and the last thing you want to do is this. You want to hop into a skid loader that's got heat, and you want to be able to go probably 3 times as fast as what this can do. So I enjoy doing it. It's fun. That being said and all, this tractor might not be the quickest with snow removal with today's standards, but it definitely does still serve its purpose around here. Like for grading the road, this thing is awesome. I really pretty much bought it for that, and it does that well with grading the gravel roads around. So skid loader for snow removal, the old Ford Jubilee, we'll keep that for grading these longer gravel roads. I'm just gonna pluck away, clear the rest of all this, go in, call it a day. Thank you so much again for tuning in to Sweet Oak Channel. I am Travis, rosy cheeks and all. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care.